Hello everyone, I am Anurag Kumar Singh, the team leader of Group B, and this is our DIY project, which is an autonomous car. Coming to the team member details, our team comprises Aniket Layek, Sachin, Rahul Mehra, and finally me, Anurag Kumar Singh. I had distributed the work among all my team members. The research part of the project was done by me and Aniket. The working and circuit diagram was prepared by Sachin. The PowerPoint presentation was prepared by Rahul. Assembling of the project and recording of video was done by Aniket. Team management, the coding part, and editing of the final video was done by me. Our project was well planned and nicely executed, so we were able to complete our project within the stipulated time limit of 4 weeks. This is a static picture of a fully assembled and functional working model. Our project is a replica of an autonomous car capable of avoiding any obstacles in its path. It is a model solution for preventing accidents in space-constrained Indian roads. This project will also act as a guide for my friends and juniors so as to learn about the idea behind this project. And now over to Sachin to enlighten us with further details of the project.
The required parts in our DIY projects are Arduino Uno, motor driver shield and micro servo, ultrasonic sensor and 4-gear DC motors, 4 wheels, 2 rechargeable batteries and jumper wires. Now I will be telling you about the working of the project. This project uses many different but simple Arduino components like HCSR04 sensor to locate obstacle, 4 DC motors powered by 2 into 3.7 volt battery and servo motor. And this is how the car avoids the obstacle, as it moves forward until it sees a wall that is 15 cm away. Then the servo rotates the ultrasonic sensor by 90 degree and 180 degree respectively to measure the distance from the left and the right wall. Whichever distance is more, the car will turn in that direction. Now let us have a look on the schematic circuit diagram of the project. The circuit diagram of our project is very simple. The Arduino Uno is connected to the ultrasonic sensor and the motor driver shield using the jumper wires. The 4-gear DC motors which rotates the wheel are connected to the motor driver shield, and the battery is also connected in order to provide the power to the circuit.
Now, the full demonstration of the project will be given by Aniket.
Hello everyone, myself Aniket. I have done the assembling part of our DIY project. Here I have opened the Arduino Uno, and it is the code that we have already written for our autonomous vehicle. This is the code. We have to import this code to the Arduino. For that, we first have to verify it and compiling it. The compiling is start. It's compiling the sketch. The compilation is done and all are fine. Now we have to import this to our Arduino. For that, we have to connect the Arduino with a USB cable with this laptop. I have connected this our autonomous car with a USB cable to this laptop. Now I will import this code to this Arduino. For importing this, I have to click this option, upload. It is uploading, and here's the result. It shows that it has uploaded the code. We are done with this part. Now we have to check whether the code is working or not. We have to apply in the practical field.
We faced a few difficulties during our work on the project, but we were able to resolve all of them. Firstly, we ordered the parts, but they were faulty, so we had to replace them. Secondly, some coding errors were new to us, but we received help from GitHub and arduino.cc website. And thirdly, there was some loose soldering connection which Aniket had sorted earlier. In future, we plan to make our model more efficient and accurate by using more advanced sensors and motors, which were not possible now considering the cost effectiveness of our project. With this, we come to the end of our project, and on behalf of my team, I would like to thank our professors and TAs for giving us the opportunity to work on this wonderful project. Thank you.